made with salt pork and pepperoni and homemade meatballs as well.
Carrot ginger soup?
Yep, carrot ginger soup. We have a homemade tzatziki sauce. Right there, some carrots and celery and fresh pita chips that we did. We also have some brie tarts that we did with apricot jam. We have some pasta salad that has fresh and roasted vegetables with feta cheese and black olives. We have fresh grilled and bacon wrapped asparagus. What's not better than with bacon on it? We have some desserts here. We have fresh cherry cheesecakes and homemade fruit tarts. Some shrimp cocktail. There's rolls for the meatballs and sauce. We have a salad here that has fresh arugula, baby spinach, bacon, pears, and then a balsamic dressing on it. And then up top we have a fresh peanut sauce with Asian chicken lettuce wraps with shrimp. Moving over to the other side, we have chicken lettuce wraps. So if people are familiar with like a P.F. Chang's version, they got a little kick to them. They're really good with some hoisin sauce. Just take a piece of lettuce, wrap it right up. Some classic chocolate dipped strawberries. We have some white bean salad that has lots of vegetables and some salami and cheese in there. And we have made Vivian Howard's spiced pecan nuts. So we pulled that off of her recipe. It's one of our favorite. And we have some avocado hummus. And lastly, we have the crudité. We have some fresh popcorn that we did with lemon zest, Parmesan cheese, and fresh rosemary.
And homemade pita chips.
And homemade pita chips.
All right, with that, everybody plates are over here.